Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on Alex Builds we have got part 17 of Hero Collector's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto1. So part 17, there's not a lot to do in this issue, we're just going to be doing one of the wheels. Let me show you. So as you can see, these are the parts we get, and we get basically one wheel. I think they're like brake cables or something like that. So let's have a look inside the magazine and see exactly what we've got to do. So this is the stage we're on. We get all the parts for the wheel and two cables, one longer than the other. So if we go to stage 17 in the book, which is just a little bit back, all we've got to do is place this part inside the tyre, place the other part in the back, seal that in with CM screws, and then we've got to put the cap on, the hubcap, LM screw through the centre, and then the cap goes on the opposite side. Then we've got two pipes to put on. One goes from here all the way to the opposite side, and then this one just round here, and we should be left with something that looks like that. Basically the whole of the front axis is near enough complete. Yeah, so as I said, there's not too much to do today, so let's get these parts open and start building. To start off with, we're going to need our tyre, and as before, this is solid rubber and it is basically identical to the one we put on the opposite side. So we basically make this in the exact same way. We're going to bring in this part here, and we can basically push this through any side we like because both sides are identical. Push that through. You can line it up if you like, it doesn't really matter which way you do it. I'm going to do with the air fill valve at the bottom, push that in just like that, and then we can flip this over, lay it down, and then we can line up the three screw holes in here with the 3 points on here. So let's push that down, turning it round, locating it in place, and then we seal that in with 3 CM screws. The first one in, now let's put the second one in. Really enjoying this build at the minute. It's one of the ones that's starting to come together, starting to get really big. We've got basically the whole of the engine block in now, and the whole of the front chassis nearly complete. And that's what you should have after that stage. So now we need to bring in the whole of the assembly, and we can turn that on the side just there so you can see, and we can take our wheel with the shaft end, not the side with a little filler cap, the side with the shaft on the back. We can slide that over the center there, and that's going to stay on there for us. Then we can take our hubcap and we can locate the little hole in the side here, and that's going to go over our filler cap, drop down on top of it, and then we can take an LM screw. That's going to go straight down the center here. So let's put that one in. Just like that, and now we're just going to give it a test drive. Look at that. Just going to loosen this. I think I've done this a little bit too tight because it's not turning as freely as I'd like. That's better. So we can, that's better. As you can see, the wheels do turn in sync with each other. So the only other thing to do is to put the cap in. So let's put the cap in. Let's line it up the same way I did the last time. We'll drop that into there, just like that. So now we need the black rubber tubes. We're going to start with a longer one first, and on this side here, on the passenger side, there's a little nipple just on the brake drum here, and the same on the driver's side here. So we're going to, the longer one goes this side, so we're going to slot that on. Can be quite fiddly. Yep, that's that one on, and we can bring this cable all the way around. That's going to plug onto the little part we got here. I'll try and show you that, onto this part here. But which one is it going to go on? It looks like it's going to go on this nipple here, the very end one. So let's plug that one in. Bring this round over the top of the engine. And slot that home. Just like that. Now we need to do the opposite side. And this one is going to be going dead opposite of this side, so on the end one here. So we'll slot that on to that one. This is going to leave two nipples in the middle for something else. So we'll slide that on. Just like that. And that is this issue complete. So one of the things I forgot to show you the last couple of issues is this. This is our Ghostbusters Ecto1 mug. And look at that. Got our sort of cut out of our Ecto1 on there. And I haven't used it yet. But yeah, it's going to sit up in the background for now. And yeah, that's this month's free gift. I think next time we get a hat and then a t-shirt after that, and the month after that. So that's it, guys. That is stage 17 complete. And yeah, from now on, we're going to be basically start building up the chassis, starting to build the length out ways. So we're going to start seeing how long this car is going to be. And from the looks of it, it's going to be really, really big. So hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, leave a like down below. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.